All right, here we're going to write an equation that passes through a point and has a slope of 3. So they're giving us a point and the slope. So in order to write this in slope-intercept form, we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. So we need to figure out what the y-intercept is, because we do already know that m, the slope, is 3, but we do not know what b is. So in order to find the y-intercept, we're going to use the fact that they are telling us a point, x and y. They're telling us a value for x and y that works for this equation. So, and they're telling us the slope. So we're going to substitute those things in. If y equals 1 and the slope is 3 and x is 2, but we don't know what b is, we can solve this. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus b equals 1. And then we subtract 5. So we see that b equals -4. So we know what the y-intercept is now. Now we can substitute all of that into the equation. Y equals the slope, 3x, plus the y-intercept, or y equals 3x minus 4. Okay, let's go over another example. So here it says it's giving us again a point, an x and a y, and it's giving us a slope. So we know what the slope is to put in the equation, but we don't know what the y-intercept is. So we have to figure out what that y-intercept is in order to write the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the y in, the slope of 1/2, the x of 2, but we don't know what b is. So let's multiply this. Remember, when you're multiplying straight across. So I'm going to change 2 to a fraction, 2 over 1, and then multiply across. So this is going to be 2 over 2, which is 1. So 1 plus b equals 4. And when I subtract 1 from each side, I see that b equals 3. So now that I know what the slope is, I can substitute that in and the y-intercept of 3.